Hello and welcome to this installation guide and review video featuring the case compatible glass screen protector from Olixar for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. As with any screen protector installation, you will need to ensure that your phone screen is fully cleaned and well prepared for the protector to be adhered. You'll want to start off by taking the cleaning accessories provided by Olixar and use the cleaning wipe like so to lift any pieces of trapped dirt and fingerprints. Once complete, you can then begin using the microfiber cloth to further clean your device before lifting away any remaining pieces of trapped dust and lint with the dust removal stickers as I'm doing here. With your screen ready, you can now turn your attention to the protector itself. By removing the back cover like so, you can then begin lowering the protector into place, paying close attention to the cutouts at the top of the protector to ensure alignment. If you do get this wrong, then fear not, as the protector can be lifted away and reapplied so long as you haven't applied any pressure to the edges. Once happy with your alignment, you can then begin providing a firm press around the protector's top, bottom and sides so as to firmly attach the protector to the phone. This will leave the protector perfectly adhered and ready to use, although at this stage we do recommend turning on Samsung's latest feature designed specifically for screen protectors. Simply go to your settings, then advanced features, before scrolling to the bottom where you'll find the touch sensitivity setting. This will make using your phone with a screen protector attached even easier by making your phone more sensitive to light touches without taking away from the overall experience of the phone. With the protector fully installed, you can now begin enjoying your Note 9 all with the peace of mind that the protector brings. What I love about the Olixar case-friendly screen protector is that the responsiveness and clarity is not compromised whatsoever. You can easily navigate your phone as you would normally, as well as enjoying media in perfect clarity. Another prime reason for buying this protector over other alternatives is for sure its range of case compatibility. The neat design allows for compatibility with official cases, super tough options, and of course all of the Olixar range. This is ideal if you've already purchased or really want a particular style of case that may not come with a protector included, as this takes all the hassle out of having to work out whether or not a protector will be compatible. In terms of protection, the Olixar case compatible more than delivers, guarding well against drops, bumps and scratches to ensure that your Note 9's display stays looking sharp at all times. Overall, a fine selection for anyone looking to provide their Note 9 with top quality protection alongside their case. Which doesn't compromise on the feel, look and responsiveness of their display. For more information on this incredible protector, please see the links in the description and the comments below.